Welcome to our channel. If you want to track your iPhone activity or see a log of what's happening on your device, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll guide you through how to check the activity log on an iPhone. Let's get started. Step 1. Check screen time activity. Screen time is the best way to see how much time you spend on your iPhone and what apps you're using. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Tap See All Activity. Here, you can view a detailed activity log of your usage over the past day, week, or month. You'll see app usage, notifications, and pickups. Step 2. Check Safari browsing history. If you're looking to view your Safari activity log, including websites visited, open the Safari app. Tap the book icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap the History tab to see all the websites you've visited. If you've cleared your history recently, the log may be empty. Step 3. Check location history. If you want to check the location history on your iPhone, go to Settings. Tap on Privacy, Location Services. Scroll down and tap System Services. Tap Significant Locations to view a log of places you've visited based on your location history. Step 4. Check app activity in Settings. Some apps keep their own logs. For example, Mail, Messages, and other apps may have logs of your activity. You can find specific app settings in Settings, App Name. Step 5. Check iCloud activity. To see your iCloud backups and activity, follow these steps. Go to Settings and tap your name at the top. Tap iCloud and select Manage Storage. Here, you can view backups, documents, and other data synced to iCloud. By following these steps, you'll be able to access the activity log for different functions on your iPhone, including screen time, Safari history, and location logs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more iPhone tips and tricks.